Do you use the knee flexion or the leg curl machine at your gym? A lot of people do some classic errors when they use this machine, but we have some tips to help you avoid those. Hey, welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday, everybody. This month we are talking about the knee flexion or the leg curl machine. This machine is one of the most commonly used machines in the gym, but it's often one of the most misused machines as well. We have some tips to help you avoid those errors though and get the most out of this exercise that you can.
Today we're going to be talking about how to position the seat back on the knee flexion machine. There are a couple things to keep in mind when choosing where to position your seat. There are two main ways to figure out how to position the back pad on the knee flexion. The first way is when you sit down, line up your knee to the axis of the machine. And the axis on the machine usually has a little dot. It's also the place where the machine is rotating around. Once you've done that, then position the back so that your knee is lined up. The way to double check this is when you do your first rep, you should feel like your calves do not slide on the pad where your calves are touching. So use those two things. Number one, line up your knee with the axis, and number two, double check by doing a rep and making sure that your calves do not try to slide along the calf pad.
Make sure to use this tip the next time you use the knee flexion machine to get the most from this exercise and stay safe while doing so.
Which is going to be up